July 16th, 2026. What I'm going to show you today is a new way to find alignments and good entries. So we want to buy where we're at we're at a fair value. We don't want to go into a trade when we're very overextended because that's going to ruin our probabilities. So this yellow EMA line that you're seeing here on this 2-minute chart, that is a 42 EMA line. And that's what represents a fair value, a nice area for pullbacks to occur during trends. And what we're going to do is we're going to look at the alignment of the 15 and the 1 hour chart, and then we're going to get those to be going in the same direction. And then only when that happens, we're going to completely forget the 5-minute chart for now. Only when the 15 and the 1 hour are going together in a strong fashion, then we're going to look for entries on our 2-minute chart where we take our entries, where we take our executions. So here we start the market opens right here. What is our 1 hour telling us to do? Our 1 hour is telling us to look for shorts because we're in the red. We're looking for shorts only. It's telling us wait for the next 15-minute crossover to occur. Wait for that to happen. So we wait for the 15-minute to cross over right here. See that? 15 crosses over at 11:15 a.m. So now we've officially synced up the 15 and the 1. Now you could just straight up enter right here at this point in time. You could put your stop loss at the recent swing high, and you could target a 1-to-1 or a 1-to-2 or whatever you want to do, and you could get the win. But that's not the strategy we're going over here. That's a different alignment strategy. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for the 2-minute chart, the 2-minute price action, to get near this yellow 42 EMA line, and then we're just going to look for a nice rejection candle off of that EMA line, because we know we have an alignment between the 1 hour and the 15-minute now. As we go forward in time, look at the 15-minute MACD right here. Look, as we go forward in time, the 15-minute MACD stays in the red. Sometimes it's stronger and it's building with us, and that's when your probabilities are highest. And sometimes it's not. It's kind of going up and going down, consolidating, retracting, doing a bunch of different things, compressing and expanding. So what we want to do is we want to look for our first rejection candle off of the 42 yellow EMA line while this alignment is occurring. And look, it happens right here. So that would have been your first entry in this strategy, using this 42 EMA line as a value, as a fair price value, entering at that rejection candle off of that line, putting your stop loss right above that candle or at the edge, and then targeting a 1-to-1. Would it have gotten a win? We'll call it a loss, because it was almost a win, almost a loss. It didn't. Actually, it did. No, that was a win. That did hit here. So that first one was a win. So we're going to go on for the next setup here. Now that was another rejection candle off that EMA line right here. Also would have been a win. Look at this. We have a rejection candle off of the EMA. Also would have been a win. Where's the next one? Right here. And that would have been a loss. So far we've got 1 win, 2 wins, 1 loss. We have a rejection candle off of the 84 EMA right here, the 42 EMA rather, right here, and that would have been a win. Look at this rejection candle off of the EMA line right here. That would have been a win. So had you taken all of these, you would have been up 4, actually up 3, because there was 4 wins and 1 loss, I believe I just went over with you. So all in all today, you would have ended the day up 3R with a 1-to-1 strategy following a 15-minute and 1 hour alignment. With all that being said, my dear friends, I'll see you in the next one.